Hey, what's going on, guys? Outdoors with Kevin, outdoors. And I got a really cool new flashlight to show you guys. This is the Wurkkos brand new HD04, and it is awesome. So it is a pocket everyday carry clip light, and it's got a swivel head. So you can use this thing for everything. So you can clip it onto your body and use it as a headlamp. You can clip it onto, or a body lamp, let's call it a body lamp. You can swivel the head and put it on your hat, and now use it as a headlamp to shine out or down if you're working on a project right here, or you're walking and hiking and going this direction. This thing is really versatile, has a magnet so I can clip it onto something and swivel it around, charge it USB Type-C. Nice, really nice heavy duty clip. This whole unit itself glows in the dark. Now let's get into the best stuff. So it's got 3 modes. You can lock it, so when it's in your pocket, I click on the right hand side here and you'll see it turn solid green, and that just means that it's at its highest charge capacity. And if you click it once and it's blinking green, that means you're at not quite 100%, and so on. And on the left hand side, there's another button here. I clip on that, and if it blinks twice, that just means it's in lock mode. So you squeeze both buttons together, and then the red comes on, and it is awesome. So you click on the right hand side and there's the mode. So I've got the RGB mode where I can turn different colors. So I like to keep this at this red. So if you're in your tent, you're hiking, you're reading a map, and you don't want to go night vision blind, you use red. So using this as a headlamp, and I can read things, and I don't lose my night vision. I can still see everything. And my eyes don't have to adjust. Versus if it was like a bright white light, my eyes, then I look out in the darkness, I couldn't see well. So that's pretty cool. So the mode button on the right hand side, I click it once and it turns into the spotlight mode. So it's kind of a tighter pattern. So this is for kind of every day when you're searching for things. So you drop something under your bed, you drop something in the garage, and you're kind of looking around for it. Where did that little nut, that little bolt go? In your kitchen, underneath the kitchen island, under the kitchen table, you got the spotlight, right? And also works good for headlamp as well, direct light. Now, if I push it again, this goes to my favorite, which is the floodlight. And it's kind of a more yellowy type color. And it really is a nice big wide throw. So if you are mountain biking, if you are hiking, this is a great little light for you. It is just awesome. And just every day, keep it in your pocket. So now, not only does it have those 3 modes, so again, the right hand side goes to color, spot, and then flood. And then on the right hand side, I can click it once to just turn it off. Now the cool thing is it always turns on to the last spot, has a good memory. So if you remember, it was just on flood. So if I push it once, it goes right to flood. Turn it off. Turn it back on, and I push the right hand side, cycle through. Now I'm on the RGB, this red color. Click it once, turn it off, put it away, pull it out. It's always gonna come back to that same on position, whatever you left it last, which is really, really nice. And then click it again, off, turn it on, and then I go to the spotlight, and so on. I can hold down the right hand side button, whatever light it's on, and it'll cycle through low, medium, high, and then super bright, okay? So that's pretty cool. And let's go back to the flood. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high, and whatever level you leave it on, you turn it off, comes right back to that level, which is really nice. Now, let's turn it on, go to the color mode, and then I hold the left-hand button, and it's gonna go cycle through all the colors, which is pretty dang cool. So you want some cool mood light, you want some cool color light when you're reading it at night. So let's say your significant other, your partner, is in the bed next to you sleeping and you wanna read, having this as a little book light right here, and you're reading with a nice ambient color, which is really cool. It's crazy bright too. So I love the magnet. This whole thing itself, like I said, is glows in the dark. So let's turn on some serious brightness to it, and we might or might not be able to see it, but just from, if you're in pitch black and just using this light, you can see that it glows. So yeah, you're not gonna be able to see that it glows, but it glows, I promise. It's awesome. So really, really cool. I love that it's USB-C. So there's a USB-C right there. It's got some fins on top to keep it from getting too hot, overheating. So let's show you guys the packaging here. Wurkkos right there. And so the brightest it gets is 750 lumens, rotating light head, 86-hour runtime, and 56 grams. So it's nice and lightweight right there. And I'll throw all the specs in the description. So this is definitely something you guys can pick up on Amazon. It is nice. This is my second Wurkkos product. I have another little lantern for my tent for camping. It's awesome. I love it. But man, I'm really happy with this light. It is lightweight. I love that it locks. When I hold both buttons down, it puts in the lock position. I push it once. It tells me that it's fully charged, so I don't have to turn it on and check. If I accidentally hit the right-hand side to turn it on, and it just blinks twice, and that means it is in lock mode. So it goes right in my pocket. You can put it in the Levi's 5th pocket of your pants. Keep it in, I mean, it's just a lightweight, super awesome little light. And it's magnetic, which is really cool too. So lasts a long time, really quality. So what are you gonna do with yours? Is this gonna be your everyday? Put it in your pocket and carry it with you everywhere? Is this gonna go into your camping kit? Is this gonna go into your truck or car? So when you're traveling, you have some backup light for emergency type situations. What are you gonna do with yours? But definitely go pick it up. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for sticking by the channel. Don't forget to like and share, hit that subscribe button. I'm out here in nature, having a good time. We'll see you on the next video, guys.